Hey there, everyone. Let's dive into some major political drama that's been unfolding recently. Ready? Here we go. So, Zimbabwe's President Emerson Mnangagwa has stirred up quite a storm by snubbing the ongoing UN summit. This summit is a big deal, focusing on democracy and representing Africa on drought issues. The intriguing twist here, Chamisa's aide, Ostallos Siziba, has stepped up to fill the void. On his social media, Ostallos was all pumped up, posting, "Have arrived in New York for the summit of the future." Over the next few days, global leaders will converge to tackle pressing issues: security, democracy, climate change, and more. I'm honored to contribute to the ongoing debate and advocacy for Africa's representation on the UN Security Council, specifically the crucial campaign for 2 permanent seats. That's some powerful stuff right there. But wait, let's rewind a bit. Why did Mnangagwa bail out on this significant summit? Rumor has it, he's dodging the spotlight due to the ongoing democratic crisis back home in Zimbabwe. There's a lot of speculation that he fears being fired amidst all the political turmoil. Kind of like avoiding a big family dinner when you know there's going to be a heated argument, right? Now let's add some more layers to this saga. Just recently, Mnangagwa was seeking support at the UN. Amidst regional concerns, he aimed to engage with Southern African leaders during the UN General Assembly in New York. This would have been his first direct interaction with some SADC leaders since his disputed election victory. However, things didn't go exactly as planned. In fact, only 3 SADC heads of state attended his inauguration. Not to mention, Zambia's President Hakainde Hichilema openly criticized the election, which international observers also deemed unfair. Talk about tension. Mnangagwa's agenda included meeting with allies like South Africa's Cyril Ramaphosa and Mozambique's Filipe Nyusi, along with SADC chair João Lourenço. But as it turns out, these plans seem to have taken a back seat. So with Mnangagwa out of the picture, all eyes are on Ostallos Siziba. His excitement and commitment to amplify Africa's voice on the global stage is palpable. And let's be real, Africa's representation on the UN Security Council is a crucial issue that needs addressing. What's even more fascinating is how this development could reshape the political landscape. Could Ostallos be the fresh voice that Africa needs? Only time will tell. All right, folks, that's all the hot tea for today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think about this whole Mnangagwa and Ostallos situation. Until next time, stay informed and stay curious. Peace out!